Hi, this is Mark Helton, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can put together hundreds of emails just like this in a matter of minutes that will be you can send out automatically to all your prospects selling your mobile services, website services, SEO services, you name it. And all of this is done with a software called Video Prospector. So here you're looking at an email that we sent out to one of our prospects, and the title of the email says, "Trouble viewing your website. I was on your iPhone earlier trying to view your website and was having trouble navigating around and finding what I was looking for." So I'm pretty sure that's not what you intended. I built this video to show you how you can improve it. Now here is what really makes this amazing. When your prospect gets this email, and I don't know if you can see this or not, actually you can't see this here, but I don't have images turned on inside of my Google browser, but yet I still see this image, okay, because it's coming from YouTube. Google shows it right in the email with no problems. And as a matter of fact, this will show up on a mobile phone. This will show up anywhere on just about any mail client. So this is really awesome because it's coming from a trusted website. It's really it's going to show up in just about any web client automatically, whether they have images on or not. So that's powerful. But anyways, the big powerful piece of this, besides the fact that the image is going to show up, is it's a picture of their website. So they're going to recognize it. Now, let me ask you this question. If you got an email like this with a picture of your website behind a play button and a video saying, "I took a couple of minutes to build this video for you," would you click it? Of course you would. So once you click it, what are you going to see? Well, we've built some done templates, and here is one of the ones that we are including inside a Video Prospector for mobile prospecting. So here you go. Yeah, hi, my name's Mark. You don't know me, but I was looking at your website and I really think you have some potential here to really dominate your area if you just make a few simple changes. Bottom line, you can get yourself way more customers. Now, I know you're busy, so I invested a few minutes to make you this video to show you how you can convert more of the traffic on your website into customers and get more sales. Right now, you're looking at your website and how it appears on a regular computer, but have you visited your website on a mobile phone or a tablet? I did, and this is how it looks. I mean, it's pretty tough to read, let alone click around, right? This is a big deal because more and more people are coming online and their only computer is a phone. Not to mention a lot of people do most of it. Now, as you can see, this video is very powerful. It shows them their computer. It shows them their website on a computer, shows them their website on a mobile phone, and then we've built a whole presentation that talks to them about how they can get more business using mobile. So I'm not going to play the whole video here, but as you can see, we've got beautiful images to illustrate everything that we're talking about. At the end of the video, there is even a place for you to put in your picture and a phone number and all that stuff. So after they've watched the video, they know who to call to get help. Okay, so how powerful is this? This is some amazing stuff that we put together. Now, I know you're probably thinking, this looks like it's going to take me a ton of time to do. Well, that is not the case. I'm going to show you exactly how you can build these videos using Video Prospector in just a few short minutes. Okay, so I'm going to show you how Video Prospector will go out and automate exactly what you just seen. So you'll be able to literally just click a button, a few buttons on your computer, and let this software do all the prospecting for you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go and get some data. You're going to need website addresses, because Video Prospector is going to visit each and every one of these websites and it's going to make a video of that website. Now don't worry, all that's done on autopilot. All you need is just the URL. The other thing you're going to need is an email address. The email address for the person who owns that website, because after the video is created for that website, it's going to email that video to that prospect. Okay. The other thing that I suggest you have is a phone number, so you can actually use that phone number to call them back later, and the business name. Okay, so those are the most important things. Well, Hot Lead Finder, which you're looking at here, is actually included inside this tool or inside this package, and basically it'll go and find all that data you want. You can use any system you want, but this is included in the software purchase, and it's a pretty awesome tool. It'll go out and find emails and websites and all that good stuff. Okay, so I went ahead and I did a quick search, got the leads. I also went to see if they are mobile ready already or not, but personally myself, my preference is to send an email to everyone regardless, just because somebody may have a mobile version but they don't like it. So why not send them a video and try to sell them a new one? So here we go. I'm going to go over here to, Video Prospector, and I'm going to build out the presentation. So the presentation that we're going to be building is 4 slides. The first slide is going to be their website. The second slide is going to be a mobile version of their website, which means we're going to take their website and squeeze it down into that iPhone like you saw in the video before. The third slide is going to be the clip. It's a video clip which has the whole presentation that I created, all of those different images with the reason why they need to go mobile. And slide 4 is the call to action, and that call to action is a picture of me and my phone number, which in your case you'll put a picture of you and your phone number and all of that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and build that presentation. Here's what's great. I'm going to be able to send out a video to all 26 of those customers with just a few minutes here worth of work. So we'll click on the project wizard. As you saw, we have 4 slides. We'll select 4. The first slide was a website, so we're going to select WebShot, sorry. And the duration of that was 35 seconds. Slide 2 was a mobile, and we're just going to select the time on that, which was 9 seconds. Slide 3 is a movie clip, and that's going to be automatically detected on the length of the movie clip. And then slide 4 is the call to action slide, and that is just a single image, 27 seconds. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and find the paths for each one of these. So when I select the website URLs, it gives me the ability to either add in individual websites one at a time, and I can just type them in, or I can click on list view and I can paste in a whole list. So let me show you how that works. So I'm going to take this video here, I'm going to take this CSV file here, and I am going to first grab the website address. Okay, so I'm going to copy this website list, Control C, which as you can see there's 27, got from 2 to 27, which means there's 26 there. And I'm just going to hit Control V. So I've pasted in that whole list of URLs. All I have to do now is click Apply Changes. And what Video Prospector is doing is going to each and every one of these URLs to see if they're valid. That way you're not making videos for URLs that aren't valid. Okay, so it's done. Now we just go ahead and click the Close button, and the first slide is done. Now the next slide is a mobile sample of that website, so we're just going to go ahead and do the exact same thing. I'm going to click on here. So we're going to go ahead and just do the same exact thing that we did. Click Apply Changes and click Close. So we have the website, the mobile website, that's all done, right? The third is going to be the video clip. And the last slide is a single image, and it's going to be my call to action slide. Okay, so I have my whole project all created. The next thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and click the next button and grab my audio. Select the folder that I want my videos to be saved on my desktop. Now it's going to save them on your desktop, but it's also going to automatically upload these videos to YouTube as well. And the last slide just shows I've got 26 videos that I'm making. Click Finish. All right, so now I am almost done. All I have to do is a few simple clicks just to add in the email information that I'm going to be using to email out this information. So step 1, we have to go in and add in the video title. I like to use the business name for the business title. As you can see, I've got all of the business names in here. Next, you can add a video description. You can select whether you want the video to be listed or unlisted. I always check unlisted, so that way any of these people watching these videos won't see the other videos that you've created for their competitors. Next, you'll select your video category of where you want these to be uploaded. I like education. Now we want to put in the email address, and to make sure that each email is corresponding with the right website, just go ahead and grab it right here. It's already in order, so we'll just copy this and paste it. Click close, and there you go. So you got all your videos in there. The last step is only for video or for Hot Prospector users, and this is actually a really cool tool that allows you to follow up with all your emails. So it's kind of like a CRM. It's offered as an upgrade if you purchase this software we have a monthly and we also have an annual price. So the pricing is really affordable. Again, you don't need this CRM or this follow-up tool in order to use Video Prospector. It is offered as an upsell, but again, it's not required. So as you can see, I have all of my data information here. My project is ready to go. You can see the start button is ready. I just want to verify a couple more things. First, let me look at my email template. As you can see, I have my email template all set up. You can edit and put in whatever you want. You can add in HTML. It has a WYSIWYG editor, so if you want to add in any additional images or videos or any of those things, you can do that right here. And you're all set. So we've got an email, and we also have the ability to do actual mail templates if you want to send something out in the mail. And I don't have anything set up in here, but you can put in, just like your email or your email template, it's a WYSIWYG editor, so you can add in all sorts of cool stuff. Also, we have this barcode where you can place the barcode in your email, and what'll happen is, or sorry, in your mail template, and what'll happen is when they scan that barcode, it'll take them to where the website or the URL is. Okay, so we're all set up and I am ready to go, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on the start button. As you can see, Video Prospector is going and generating these videos for me on autopilot. So what it's doing right now is it's showing you what the status is, where it's at. So it is currently adding the very first slide, which is their website. The next slide will be a mobile website, and you can see it's on that setup. Slide. The next slide will be the video clip, which it did very quickly. Now it's on the last slide, which is the image file. So now it's processing that video clip, and then it's going to upload all of that directly to YouTube. Now it's uploading that video to YouTube. After the video is uploaded, it'll take that video and email the link out to the email that is inside the list that corresponds with that website. So all that's done automatically. If you want, you can go and take a look at the video just to make sure everything looks good, but you can see the video was sent, the email status is sent. If you were doing mail campaigns, you can click on this PDF and you can print out the mail template, and as you can see, there's our barcode. If I scan that, it will take me directly to the video. Again, this is a really powerful feature because email is great, but mailing something out as well is huge. And also, if you have Hot Prospector, you can see that contact info was integrated into Hot Prospector. So this video, along with any other information you had in the business information tab, would be uploaded to Hot Prospector. So we'll go ahead and click on this video so you can see. Now it's probably still processing. The whole processing step will take probably about 30-45 seconds for a minute video this size. But once that's all done, your prospect will be able to actually click on that and watch the video. So as you can see, Video Prospector is a very powerful tool that's going to save you a lot of time and make you a lot of money. So thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the inside of Video Prospector.